Today I'm making lentil soup. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. 2 big onions, some zucchinis, a sweet pepper, some tomatoes, coconut milk, and some spices, a cube to make the broth, and of course the lentils. So I've cut the onions and we're going to add the onions and the curry powder into this pan, which has a little bit of oil in it, and that's going to be our first step. And then we're just going to stir for a couple of minutes until the onions are soft and nice, and then we're going to add all the other things that is going to make this soup. I'm now adding 500 milliliters of water. I'm adding this broth cube now to the soup. It's just completely only veggies that are inside, totally vegan. Just gonna add some flavor to the soup. So it looks like this now. It's just the onions and the curry powder and the water. I'm adding 150 grams of lentils. Adding 1 teaspoon of curcuma, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I cut tomatoes in cubes. You can also use just a can of tomato cubes if you want to, but I like to use fresh tomatoes instead. I added the coconut milk to the soup, as you can see. Okay, I think the soup is done. As you can see, there are less lumps now. It's a little bit more smooth. I'm satisfied as how it is. It is very thick now, so I am going to add some water to the soup to make it a little less thick. As you can see, it looks better now. I think this is great, and I think it's time to taste. Very nice soup. Yummy!